you're experiencing low performance in Overwatch 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your game settings and system performance. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Overwatch 2. Navigate to the options menu and reduce settings such as texture quality, shadow detail, and effects quality. This can significantly improve frame rates. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing Overwatch 2 to run more smoothly. Step 4. Optimize system performance. Check your computer for any performance issues. Run a disk cleanup. Defragment your hard drive if using HDD, and ensure that your system is free of malware or unnecessary programs that could slow it down. Step 5. Upgrade hardware if necessary. If performance issues persist, consider upgrading your hardware. Increasing RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can provide a significant boost in performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Overwatch 2 performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.